Welcome to the Forel stand at Glass Build America. I am Scott Nisley, President for Forel North America. For nearly 50 years, Forel has manufactured leading-edge solutions for the glass industry in the areas of glass processing and IG manufacturing. Today, we celebrate our newest innovation, the Forel Dura line. After carefully analyzing the market, it was clear that the growth potential of single-seal spacer systems like Duraseal and Duralite would allow Forel to participate in new markets that our existing portfolio did not address. Because there is no requirement for a secondary seal, the system is designed for those companies who want to maintain a competitive edge and are looking to optimize output performance, manufacturing capability and simplicity, and provide a quality, thermally efficient final product.
Hi, I'm Jack Molesky, Director of Sales for Quanex. I'm here in Orlando at the 2025 Glass Build Show. Forel and Quanex are working together to bring automation and spacer performance to the next level. The demand for high-quality insulating glass is growing, and fabricators need speed, consistency, and reliability more than ever. The pairing of Forel's precision automation and Quanex's high-performance, warm-edge technology is delivering high-performance IG units with the consistency and confidence customers expect.
Hi, I'm Sean Hummel, Director of Research and Development for Quanex. Part of my role is to ensure that our spacer technologies will meet the needs of our customers, delivering insulating glass that performs today and is ready for tomorrow. The Duralite and Duraseal spacers have a long-standing history of proven performance. It's a technical innovation that empowers our customers to stay ahead of the market demands.
Forel has engineered the Dura line to ensure the output of the line is maximized, while at the same time addressing key requirements for the processing of IG units with single-seal products like Duralite and Duraseal. This approach ensures reliable and repeatable quality, has led to the design of unique machine modules to address the application of the spacer, the heating of the spacer, and the closing of the final corner.
The difference between our Duraseal and our Duralite product is the embedded shim. On our Duraseal product, it's a metal shim, and on the Duralite product, it's a polycarbonate or plastic shim. Duralite gets the nod in thermal performance due to the thermal transfer of the polycarbonate shim over the metal shim.
John Ryber, Director of Technical Services. Forel's automated high-speed IG lines combined with Quanex's Duraseal and Duralite spacers give fabricators a major advantage. You're able to build more units faster with quality and consistency that you can trust. When you pair that with your spacer technologies, manufacturers get the best of both worlds: streamlined, high-volume production, and insulated glass that delivers superior thermal performance, durability, and reliability day in and day out. The automation ensures speed and precision, while our spacers are engineered to integrate seamlessly into that process. That means less downtime, fewer manual adjustments, and consistent quality unit after unit. At the same time, you deliver an IG with proven long-term durability and energy performance. In short, it's a smarter, faster way to scale production without sacrificing reliability in the field. Together, Forel and Quanex provide fabricators the tools to scale capacity, meeting growing demand, and ensure confidence in every unit that leaves the plant.
The technology of Forel's high-speed Duraline, combined with Quanex's Duraseal and Duralite spacers, let you produce more insulating glass faster, cleaner, and with less manual labor. You get consistent quality, fewer rejects, and long-term thermal performance that manufacturers are being pushed to meet and exceed. It's the perfect balance of speed, efficiency, reliability, helping your business grow while staying ahead of the competition.
The key advantages with the Forel Dura line are very apparent when evaluating the finished product. The precise application of the spacer system ensures very tight and consistent sight lines. Heating is a fundamental manufacturing process, and our solution utilizing comprehensive symmetrical heating ensures the entire perimeter of the spacer profile is heated to a predetermined temperature to guarantee adhesion and wet out.
Compared to our competition of aluminum and metal spacers, the Duralite and Duraseal platform offers lower U values, reduced condensation, and improved thermal values throughout the system. Duralite and Duraseal improve the thermal transfer of heat on the window's edges, thereby improving the U value. Because of this, the interior glass surface is affected and becomes a more comfortable environment on the interior.
The tandem press is a critical element in ensuring balanced production output of the Duraline. The gas filling and coupling process occurs in automatic sequence, ensuring accurate unit alignment, unit thickness, and gas filling.
Duralite and Duraseal in a manufacturing environment helps reduce warranty claims, which can be a large factor for many of the OEMs producing their own IGs.
Due to the precision of the spacer application, the process of closing the final corner is managed in a simplified process, irrespective of the spacer width. A servo-driven tool is accurately positioned to the required spacered width and presses the joint closed to a predetermined position. This particular technique ensures that the insulated glass unit is hermetically sealed and completes the manufacturing process.
Automated lines running Duraseal and Duralite are able to consistently put down the spacer with precision and accuracy. In addition, we're also seeing excellent sealing of the fourth corner patch. Automated lines are also key in taking out human error in the production of IGs. With an automated line, manufacturers can now take some of their associates and employ them in other parts of their facility while utilizing an automated line which typically uses 3 to 4 associates running the Duraseal or Duralite products. Duralite and Duraseal are excellent spacer options for manual application up through a fully automated line.
To summarize, the level of automation and precision reduces waste, requires less labor, and drives efficient productivity, all of which leads to an extremely competitive unit cost. Some legacy IG systems are now arriving at a point where the equipment and the product are no longer meeting the needs of the manufacturers or the intended market. That can relate to energy standards, labor shortages, manufacturing costs, and demand. This manufacturing process and the product it produces is ideally suited for the residential window market and for those manufacturers that are actively working with it.